Hello, Odd Job Dewey here. Once again, snack time. We've got these Kit Kats. I think they're cream brulee, but I think this says pudding tasting, something like that. And little packages like that. And you know what they do? They look like this right here. See? It's got a package. You put them on a tray, and then you're gonna pop them in the oven up here with the broiler on. And I think it says about a 2-minute timer. Get that going. And then we'll see what happens in 2 minutes. Alright, so definitely not a 2-minute thing. Watch your oven, watch your broiler. This is probably about 1 minute and 30-45 seconds or so. And look at that, caramelized goodness. Right? And I should probably move them off this paper here to something else, because this pan's still hot. And there we go. Time to eat. Okay, so I got one off the cooker there, and let's see here. That was crust. Look at that. Almost like doing a cream brulee where you pop through the melted sugar on top. Yeah, skewer this guy here. Looking pretty good in there. Yep. Oh, nice and sweet, tasty. And you know what? Sad thing is, I don't know if they make these anymore. Where I'm at, they're hard to find. Nice and crunchy on top. Uh-oh, what was that though? But if you have a chance to try the pudding flavored cream brulee, whatever, Kit Kats, this is pretty much how you do it. Well, I got 2 more to eat, and I'll be done for the day. So, Odd Job Viewer, thanks for watching. And if you can find these, maybe put a link down somewhere. Maybe I can try to find them again, if they're not too crazily priced.